Yeah, you feed them little by little. Yeah, Tilly, it's okay. She's very sweet. She's the sweet mama. She's a mama. She's never gonna hurt you. Wow. So pretty, the elephant. Yes, she's a pretty mama. Look at Daddy. Smile at Daddy, Tilly. Slow down, it's okay. Mommy, that's a mommy elephant. She knows you're a nice girl. She's gonna be sweet to you. Aww. So cute. See? That's the mama. Aww. Can she pick her up? She can pick up? Yeah, she's not scared. You want to get picked up, Tilly? Yeah, like this. It's okay, Tilly. Go. Hug her. Hug the mama. Look. Yeah. It's good. She is friend. She's sweet. See how sweet? Sweet mama. Yeah, see? Yeah, like this. And then the mama lifts you. Ah, yes. So cute. Yeah. Tilly, you tell them, kapun ka. Yeah, your girl, you say thank you. Yeah, go to mommy. Kapun kap. She's so beautiful. You're so beautiful. I love you. You're so beautiful. So beautiful.